In this video, you'll learn how to set service rates on Wecasa. This guide explains the process from logging in to selecting your desired service and viewing the associated costs. Begin by navigating to the Wecasa website or opening the Wecasa app on your device. Once you arrive at the homepage, look for the login button typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Click this button to proceed. After clicking login, a prompt will appear asking for your credentials. Enter your email address and password in the provided fields. If you have forgotten your password, there should be a link to reset it. Once you've entered your information, click the login button to access your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main dashboard. Here, you will find options to book various services. To start booking a service, look for the section that lists available services such as cleaning, massage, hair or beauty. Click on the service that you wish to book. Next, you will be prompted to enter your address. This information is crucial as it helps Wecasa identify service availability in your area. Fill in your address carefully, ensuring that all details are accurate. After entering your address, click Continue or Next to proceed. After entering your address, the next screen will allow you to choose the specific service and any additional options you may want. For instance, if you selected cleaning, you might see options for deep cleaning or standard cleaning. Select your preferred options before moving forward. Wecasa will automatically calculate the price based on several factors. The price displayed will depend on the service type you selected, the duration of the service, and the frequency of the service, whether it is a one-off weekly or monthly booking. Review the price carefully to ensure it meets your, expectations. Once you have confirmed all details and are satisfied with the calculated price, you can proceed to the payment section to finalize your booking. Make sure to check that you have sufficient funds or payment methods available before completing the transaction. This ensures a smooth booking experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.